The toll road coming up. 85 South African Rond, which is probably what, about what's it, 85, it's probably $10, I guess, so $11, say. Right, so let me just get this all paid, and I think that chap said Groot America is quite close. See you later. I might as well leave it on for fun. E-tag, no cash, no e-tag only, manual. Groen. Hey, cha-cha. Hello, my dear. How are you? Alright, let me not fall over. Sorry, it's a bit of a slow process. Gotta get that out. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let me just get out of the way. Thank you. Alright, that was a little bit of a slow process, but got to get the wallet out and this and that. So that's a good thing to remember. I don't think about toll roads and having my credit card just quickly, easy. So there's another thing to learn. Right, gloves back on. Be nice if my no, maybe not, I don't know. Just anyway, I'll find a nice easy pocket. Don't know if there are more toll roads anyway, but right. Next stop, Groot America. In fact, I'm gonna switch off and I'm gonna send a little thingy if I've still got time on my phone.